So if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I always have just GoPro shots on my model train cars. And usually it's on this, but I found this box of like model railroad layout stuff and parts for trains. So we're going to try and make a GoPro car out of the parts in here. So I have two choices of cars I can use. I can either use this one or this frame. I think I'll use this frame just because it's made of plastic. Okay, a slight change of plans. We're going to put this piece on top of this little car. Just glue it on there. Then make a stand for the GoPro to go on whenever I want to push the train. It's currently glued on. We're going to let it sit for a little bit. So here's the finished car. Now put the GoPro on it and get some videos of it. So from now on, if you see any shots of just the train of any area on the train, not from my phone, it will be on this train. Okay, now we'll run a lap like this, recording some footage on the GoPro with the Illinois Central Gulf train pushing.